Hello everyone, it's day 2 of Festival Days. Get ready to explore another beautiful celebration and uncover the traditions that make it special. Question 1. Which son of Ravana was killed by Rama's army before Ravana? A. Indrajit Meghnad, B. Akshay Kumara, C. Atikaya, or D. All of them? The correct option is D. All of them. Question 2. Which festival in Nepal coincides with Dussehra? A. Dashain, B. Tihar, C. Gai Jatra, or D. Indra Jatra? The correct option is A. Dashain. Question 3. Who was Ravana's brother that sided with Rama in the Ramayana? A. Vibhishana, B. Kumbhakarna, C. Indrajit, or D. Ahiravana? The correct option is A. Vibhishana. Question 4. What does the burning of Ravana's effigy symbolize? A. Worship of fire, B. Destruction of forests, C. Victory of good over evil, or D. Beginning of harvest season? The correct option is C. Victory of good over evil. Question 5. Which Indian state celebrates Dussehra with Durga Visarjan processions? A. Tamil Nadu, B. West Bengal, C. Gujarat, or D. Rajasthan? The correct option is B. West Bengal. Question 6. Which part of Ravana's body did Lord Rama target to finally kill him? A. Head, B. Heart, C. Chest, or D. Abdomen? The correct option is B. Heart. Question 7. What is the significance of Navratri before Dussehra? A. Worship of cows, B. 9 nights of fasting and devotion to goddess Durga, C. Harvest festival, or D. Celebrating Lord Krishna's birth? The correct option is B. 9 nights of fasting and devotion to goddess Durga. Question 8. Which son of Ravana is known for fighting valiantly against Lakshmana? A. Indrajit Meghnad, B. Atikaya, C. Akshay Kumara, or D. None? The correct option is A. Indrajit Meghnad. Question 9. Which weapon did Indrajit use to make Rama unconscious temporarily? A. Brahmastra, B. Nagastra, C. Agnyastra, or D. Pashupatastra? The correct option is B. Nagastra. Question 10. Who helped Hanuman in locating Sita in Lanka? A. Sugriva, B. Vibhishana, C. Jambavan, or D. Angada? The correct option is C. Jambavan. Question 11. In which city is the famous Ram Leela of Ramnagar performed? A. Varanasi, B. Ayodhya, C. Ramnagar, or D. Lucknow? The correct option is C. Ramnagar. Question 12. Which river did Lord Rama cross to reach Lanka? A. Ganga, B. Yamuna, C. Sarayu, or D. Ocean via Ram Setu? The correct option is D. Ocean via Ram Setu. Question 13. Dussehra celebrations in northern India mainly focuses on story of what? A. Krishna and Kamsa, B. Rama and Ravana, C. Durga and Mahishasura, or D. Shiva and Ravana. The correct option is B. Rama and Ravana. Question 14. Which demoness tried to stop Lord Rama and Lakshmana during the war? A. Shurpanka, B. Simhika, C. Hidimba, or D. Putana. The correct option is A. Shurpanka. Question 15. Which fruit is offered to goddess Durga during Navratri leading to Dussehra? A. Mango, B. Banana, C. Coconut, or D. Apple. The correct option is C. Coconut. That's the end of day 2. Let us know your favorite tradition from today's festival in the comments, and remember to like, share and subscribe for our next video.